Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we're doing a Sunday reset. So I am going to be mainly focusing on decluttering my desk because I had so much stuff on there. A lot of stuff I didn't need, a lot of old stuff, so I threw out a lot. And honestly, I didn't show you guys everything, but I ended up being with like 2 trash bags after I was done. So that was a lot of things done at. But here I'm just organizing my desk, my bed, and I'll talk to you guys in a few. It is Sunday. I'm gonna continue cleaning, but I'm gonna shower first. I had a very late start to my morning, but as you guys can see, all of this needs to be cleaned on top of my desk. It looks chaotic and ridiculous, so we're gonna do this. I was gonna do it off my week off, but I had started already. As you guys can see, the top of my dresser I did yesterday. I did all this. Then I got this bin yesterday from Home Depot, the blue one. I just set those aside because I'm gonna put them in here. But I got tired and it was almost like 11 going to midnight, so I had to shower and I was like, I'm done. I organized down here. Now all that is clear. So now my main focus when I come out my shower is going to be this section here, organizing all this stuff that's here. So because what happens is everything doesn't have a place and I just keep throwing things. So now I kind of reorganize everything to look neater. Like you see up top, there used to be like all my Invisalign cases. Now I only have one here. All the ones that I'm not using, or like the liners I didn't use, I put them in that bin to make it neater. And then I want to tackle, there was something else I want to tackle. As you guys can see, my bed is already done, so that's done and in order. I'm still waiting on, and then I have like here I have my garbage bag because I was throwing out a bunch of stuff yesterday, so all that's the garbage. Don't mind those socks. I left them there because I'm about to clean inside because I did a foot peel and my foot is still peeling, so I like to clean out my socks before I throw them out. And then this section I have to reorganize my desk again, but I'm really waiting on the okay, let me flip you guys over. I'm waiting on the thing that I got from Temu. I could have gotten it from Home Depot, but since I already bought one from Temu, I'm waiting for it. I did get another bin. That bin I might switch bins, and that might actually be for the art supplies instead. Depends on, but like a lot of the stuff is like art supplies that's on the floor and like they keep on falling out. It can't stay. I think too the desk is just too heavy to hold all of it, so that's why I'm waiting for that bin that I got from Temu, so that I could just put all my like books, not my books, but all my like art supplies in there. But today, so we're gonna tack up the desk after when I'm done. It is now 10:16 a.m. I was up since like 8. I woke up like 8:38, which is late. Normally I wake up like 7 something, depending on. But anyway, I had to clean my bathroom, so I did that already. I didn't show you guys that because I don't want to bore you guys. You guys have seen my shower routine, my shower cleaning routine. It's the same thing, same products every single time. If you want to check out my other reset, you can. But I didn't want to pull out the camera because it would just take more work to get you angles in my small bathroom, so I was like, forget it. But I will show you guys some of my cleaning. I have a lot of like editing content to do. I'm currently editing one video and then I have to finish editing another one, and I'm currently filming this one. So I feel like content creators, work's never done. I'm just praying that this week goes by so fast. This is my last work week before break. Next week is break, so I just cross my fingers. We just like breezes back so fast, so that I can be on break. I can wake up later. You know, I enjoy to do waking up later. Unfortunately, I'm probably not gonna do the gym today because I woke up late and then I forgot I had to do other stuff. I did majority of my laundry, my clothes. I just washed like sheets. So the sheets that you guys saw me doing, these are new sheets. I just changed them last night. So I just have to fold the rest of my laundry stuff. And then just, I don't know about you guys, but when I'm doing cleaning or any type of decluttering, I actually have to have a show or some music. In this case, I had a show, and her video was like not show, sorry, a video from Jessie. She's really funny. I was watching her YouTube video while I cleaned, and yeah, as you guys can see, my thing, everything was all over the place. I had to reorganize. I had makeup tools, I had chargers, I had all the stuff. I had a bunch of like glasses holders. This is the old like Invisalign case thing. I threw out, like, I had some wipes in there, didn't even know, I think for my last travel. Threw those out because they were obviously dry. I had old planners as well, like in buckets and stuff like that. So I always just went through each planner to see if I had any like important personal information. So those I took out and shredded them. Other than that, I threw away all my old planners because I had like planners for like 4 years from like 2020. Actually, no, I think I had 2019, so about 5 years. So it was like time to throw those out. So now I just have the planner for this year. I threw away all my old planners because I just decluttering a bunch of planners for no reason, honestly. And then yeah, I just went through all the stuff that I had on my desk. This they gave me for my Invisalign. But yeah, I think that was the majority of everything that was on my desk. And then I had like a lot of like other tools and stuff like that on my desk. So I kind of used my crate to organize majority of the stuff the day before, but I just put these in the rightful place and made them more organized. And I'm just burning here because it's like personal photos. But anyway, I'll let you guys watch the rest, and I'll see you guys when I talk to you guys in the next part of the video.
She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, 'cause I've been dating me my whole life. She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, 'cause I've been dating me my whole life. My perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life. She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life.
Neat and clean. I was supposed to do this the week I'm off, which is next week, but I'm glad to get it done now. So really quick, I did get a set of these socks. I was saving them for the gym specifically. I wanted like gym specific socks, so these are what they are. They're come in different colors. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have to probably like bring the camera up. It's like two pinkish, gray, and white. Now I don't want to wear them. I'm like going back and forth. I'm conflicted. I mean, it can always wash out, but my foot is still pulling. I did a foot pull, I think, in last week's vlog for the February reset. So I have to keep on socks because my feet is continuously peeling. So like, I don't know. I mean, I could wash it out, but I might wear it tomorrow. I don't know yet. One of them because so I can. Oh wait, no, tomorrow I'm not going to the gym actually. So never mind. I'm going Tuesday because tomorrow I have to stay at work. After work is over, I have to stay to do a professional development, so never mind. I'm not even going to wear one tomorrow. I'm not even going to go to the gym, tomorrow, because I'll be beat by the time I'm done. Anyway, as you guys can see, this is the reset. I'm done for the day. I did so much. I'm cleaning my desk, reorganizing my little bookshelf thing I had going on here, putting things on the wall. I show you guys just to put more things on the wall instead of throwing out those stickers, because those stickers, I found them. I must have bought them a while back and I never really like used all of them. So I just did random decoration decor, as you guys can see, like here. I don't know if you guys can see it because my door is in the way. But let me close the door. You guys can see that, like I did some random ones on the side, on the lines. But yeah, I'm beat and my battery's about to die. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All the other thing I have to do is edit, but I'm not going to film that. I need to focus on editing second vlog, and then this will come after, and I have a lot of other content that I have to focus on from TikTok to Instagram. So that's what I'm about to do for the rest of the time being. It's 12:59 p.m. I feel like where did my Sunday go? But also I did start my day a little later today. So yeah, I'm gonna see my goal. This is actually the next day, but I thought it was good to add this part. So I did get my reading pillow, and so I wanted to quickly set that up. It's a medium reading pillow by Nestle. It's supposed to be good for like if you're sitting on your bed reading. Because sometimes when I sit on my bed, my back hurts from like lying down or slanting my body. So this you can just sit up and read a book. So I really wanted to get one of those to add to my bed. Also, it's really comfy if you want to take a nap. To be real honest. But yeah, so that was my ending, but I will link it down below. I still like it. It's been a week with it so far, about a week. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video because I don't think I did it. Outro. I just think I said bye to you guys in the form of waving. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, you share. Your girl's trying to grow her YouTube and at least get, by the end of the year, get my YouTube goal. So be sure to share. I'll see you guys. Bye.